a beacon of light in Makkah's night, born with the purpose to guide humanity's plight. With truth and justice, he guide the way, a mercy to all in every single way.
Through trials and tribulations, he stood tall, a leader, a guide for one and all. His character noble, his spirit true, the reflection of faith for me and you.
In the Quran verses, the story is told. A prophet of God with a message to unfold. He showed us patience during time of strife, and he taught us to stand what is right in life.